Bonjour, I am Sharpen from the Marine Room, and today I'm going to take you on a journey for knife skills so you can be very comfortable with your knives in the kitchen. Large dice is my favorite technique. It is very easy to do and keep all the flavor encapsulated into the vegetable. The large dice is primarily used for stews, long cooking dishes, or for mirepoix and stock. The large dice is important because it is quick and has a great imposing nature and looks professional. A large dice should be always cut into half-inch cube. When slicing vegetables, such as leeks, it is very important that your knife slice through the vegetables in a rocking motion. When chopping herbs, it is very important to remember that the more you chop, the less flavor you will get. The right technique is to use a rocking motion like this. Julienne cut was the first technique that I learned when I was an apprentice. And the rule of thumb is the following. Before slicing your vegetables, you need to curl your finger over the vegetable itself to control the blade and protect your fingertips.